Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show that how to copy the link of our YouTube channel, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your YouTube app and then just simply open up the channel. And if you didn't find the channel, just simply tap on that search icon and search for the channel you want to copy the link, and simply like set a filter, search filters, and tap on type and search for the channel and click on apply. And then here you can see the channels about your, like in this way you can find a channel. Just simply tap on the three lines and tap on share. So here you can see the option of copy link. Just simply copy the link, or if you want to copy the link of your YouTube channel, or if you want to copy the link in another way, just simply open up this channel and just tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on show. So here you can see the option of copy link. Just simply tap on copy link. So that's how you can easily copy the link of a YouTube channel, either it's your or it's someone else's channel. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll catch you in the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.